Hello dear Aquarius, welcome to my channel and this is your 4th week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. 5th week, okay? 5th week of July plus the 1st week of August. So this is going to be very interesting. Let's see what the cards hold for you. Your cards are already out. We are going to begin with your career reading. You've got the Three of Spades and the Completed World. I do feel that success is just beginning to develop for you. It's like you have worked hard, you've given your all, and you have somehow felt incomplete when it comes to your career. Like you felt like something is missing. I'm still not on that position. I'm still not earning that much. You had certain goals, right? This week, there is a change that is coming. If you haven't given your all, there is something you're going to receive this week. You've got the card of completed world, which means any pieces in your work life, your career, whether that's a job or business, or even your studies, they are going to piece them together to make you happy. This is a card of happiness. This is a card of contentment. So wherever you are in your life right now, this week you will be feeling very blessed, very happy, very content. That thank God I have a roof over my head, I have a car, I have a good job, I have good salary, comfortable business, that kind of thing. So this is a card of very positive change that is coming. Maybe you are receiving a bonus, maybe you are receiving a job offer, maybe you're receiving an appreciation letter. Anything which is coming your way is going to make you feel complete and whole again. Okay, if there was a feeling of lack, that is going to go away this week. So this is looking very good for you when it comes to your career. Let's see what's happening in your love life now. You've got the Two of Spades and the Death card. Guys. I do see that in your relationship, a lot of you have recently ended something or are on the verge of ending something. It can be a no contact situation, it can be a separation or a breakup as well. I do see that this relationship was full of hurdles and blockages. It could be that you both have blocked each other right now. Hurdles means that there were always some or the other problem. Sometimes you both are not gelling along, sometimes you are not gelling along with their parents, sometimes parents are not agreeing to the marriage, sometimes it's some other financial issue, something or the other, right? I do feel that you are very hurt, and maybe it's the disrespect from them, maybe it's the lack of commitment from them, whatever it is. But I do see you walking away from something this week, or you want to very badly want to walk away from something. And if you are looking for a sign, let me tell you, you've got the Death card here, honey. This is over. This is beyond over. Death card means this relationship has died like long time ago. Like there's nothing left in it for you. So if you really were looking for a sign like what should I do? Should I stay or should I move on? This card is practically telling you on your face that you need to move on. The death has come. This relationship has died. You need to transform yourself now. You need to move on from this now. There is a change that you need to make. Okay, there's a change which is also coming for you. I also see that once you end this relationship completely, emotionally detach yourself, physically detach yourself, you will feel the transformation in you. Okay, what happens if you stay on with the dead body for a very long time, right? It starts draining you. That is what is this relationship doing to you. It's draining your energy. You need to transform yourself. Also, if you have a very negative energy or mindset around love or relationship or marriage now because yours did not work out, change that into a positive mindset right now, because this negative attitude of yours around love, relationships or your future is only going to delay your uh, person or your happy marriage or your happy circumstances to come to you. The more you think negative about it, the more your destiny will get delayed. And this applies to all those who are in situationship, relationship or marriage, no matter what your situation is. If something has died down, it's important that you move on. Something better, someone better will definitely come towards you, but you will have to transform yourself first out of this negativity and with a will, with a mindset to improve your life. Okay, so if you have been thinking very negatively around a particular your life, your love life, your marriage, or if your future looks dark, please transform it. Okay, start thinking positively around love, around relationships, around people, so that your future is better. Because I do see a change coming for you. I do see that this has ended, but something better is coming for you. Okay, a better you is also waiting for you. Maybe you have also made some mistakes in this relationships. You have also learned some lessons from it, right? Change it now. Okay, this is all going to change now. So I do see that both the cards are very good cards that have come for you, especially the major arcana, death, and the completed world. Everything looks great provided you feel that way, right? Your career as it is looking good for me. Even a letter of appreciation can sometimes uplift our mood. But that's another perspective, right? You will say, what do I do with the appreciation letter, man? I need money, right? If that is your attitude, you will never be happy, no matter where you are. So yes, it begins here. Okay, start being grateful for whatever things are coming your way, no matter how small or big, and you will see a difference in your life. Everything will be positive. I do take this death card as a positive card and also a confirmation of something ending and a new beginning which is waiting for you, and also you transforming into someone better, something better. Okay. So yes, it is a beautiful reading. Yes, it can be challenging for some who are too rigid in their life, but you'll have to transform and let go. If not now, sooner than later. So I suggest do it now so that next week looks brighter for you. Okay. And yes, if you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Also, if you would like to book any personal reading, if you have very specific questions on your mind, I take personal readings as well. I take rituals, love readings, spiritual counseling sessions, and I do have packages as well. Please check out the description box. To make any bookings, you can email me directly on my email ID, or you can DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also please follow me on Instagram. On a daily basis, I post my prices as well. If you want to know the prices, the fastest way is to follow me on Instagram. On a daily basis, my prices are uploaded, very budgeted prices. I think anyone can choose it and book it, right? And yes, my service time is within 24 hours. So if you book it today, you're going to probably get your reading within the same day. And if you're lucky, within the first few hours itself. All right. So please go check it out. Take care of yourself, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.